my dream camera also. Matatanggal siya. Kay Mami. Now you see what I'm recording. Say hi to the vlogging cam. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Di ba may ganyan coloring? Di ba may ganyan? Hindi, di ba meron ka ganyan pero maliit?
Oo, yes, sir.
Sa inyo po din yun?
Sa kanya yung...
This is for me.
Baka ako naman nakakapag dyan na.
Ganda. Pwede siyang iangat.
Sa mama coloring, tapon ko lang to.
Pwede ibalik? Bakit natin
Ako
ibalik?
na ta, no ta. Okay na ta.
Ako na.
Ako mag-video.
Ako na. Baka lang kasi to eh. Sama mo lang ako doon. No? Kunyari lang.
Record na. Recording duration has been set to 1 minute. Ha? Sino? Huy, naka-record. Patingin. Patingin. Ayun yung atin.
Sa amin to.
Asan yung atin?
Ayun o. Ay, ito. Pwede dito. Yung hugutin lang yan.
Wow.
May mint doon.
Hindi pa tapos na.
Asan yung atin?
Sobrang liwanag nga.
Wala pa naman eh.
Okay na yan, yun na yun.
Hindi pa yan.
Hindi pa yan.
Ba't nawawala cellphone ko?
Hindi pa nga.
Hindi pa yan eh.
Arigato ne.
Nawawala cellphone ko.
Tawagan mo kung wakit ako mo.
Nawawala.
Saan? Saan mo nilagay?
Bla.
Yung tugtog.
Benten nga ni.
Ganito nga.
Hindi. May iba.
Yan,
Iba
benten
pa.
na.
Maganda yung Maui.
Wowie?
Wawawawi.
Maui, wow.
Ah. Ayun ba yung original niyan? Hindi ah. Hindi yan yung original song. Ganyan.
Kumuha ka ng ano.
Man!
Bakit 1 minute lang sabi pwede mag-record?
Para limit. Para putol-putol.
Ako rin yung ano, yung pinuna natin sa ano sa basketball.
Pero kahit meron na baby cake. Or edit niya ko yung...
Ikaw naman.
I-edit niya isa-isa mo. Ano.
Oh, ikaw.
Ilaw?
Bagong mag-cake si...
Ito na ba ta?
Ano tayo yung TV?
Ganito ko siya, no?
Person versus GM.
Mag-edit kaya mo natawa ko ng tatawa. Laging song. Napapanood ko ba YouTube ko?
Zombie yarn?
Nagpo-post ka ta?
Ako napapanood ko din.
Oh, teka, mabuhay Pinoy. Simply.
Wait lang.
Makita mo yung video mo
Subscribe
mamaya.
kayo, parang, pero na ako
Chels.
ano, hindi ako mamotive.
Ano siya, Jolly?
Paano eh?
Ano yun ta?
Mabuhay Pinoy.
Simplicity.
Simply thinking.
Wala na, 1 minute na lang.
Panoorin mo yung video mo na yan.
Bulang kami dun sa
Guys, do you wanna play Mafia?
I do, but I want more spring rolls.
We need
Take more 4.
One type is like you could choose
We had people
one,
in.
like you could choose your country and then how long did it take?
Take your time to taste it.
Grupo nila sa Karisa.
Dali. Nagkailangan ko dito.
Ikaw una.
Pipindutin ko na? Or on na?
Naka-record.
Hi, happy birthday Chelsea. Happy 18th birthday mo na. Woo! Hala.
Ayusin mo yung...
Uy, nahihiya ako sa camera to.
Parang ano yung sa puna sa bilog, huwag sa picture mo.
Ano ba yan? Ang tagal na. Happy birthday to you. Ikaw una kasi.
Ako na naman eh.
Ako.
Sige, game. Susunod
Ah, sige. Ako muna. Ako muna. Happy birthday, Chelsea. Binabati kita dahil ay ito ang karaon mo.
Karoon mo.
Ah, si Julimar una kasi.
Ako mag-ano.
Madidistract.
Di ano, instra yung...
District or ano?
Yung bago
Ano ba tawag doon?
Happy birthday.
Madidistract.
Hindi
Happy
district
birthday.
Ano ba yung tawag doon? Yung may video sa background tapos mga ano ka?
Copyright?
Ano, copyright?
Oo, yan.
Isa, come
Again.
Ay, andito na yung ano mo.
Happy
Tingnan mo saan
birthday. How
galing
about
yung
you,
mabol.
Isa? What's your message to Chelsea Rivera?
Happy birthday.
Tinago niya na.
Nakainom na kayo?
And I hope you have a good year.
Ay, sorry, hindi na ako.
Ramos ulit.
Happy birthday. Sana hindi ka magbago. Ganyan ka pa rin maging ate ka pa kaysa dito. Yan.
Ba't ako?
Ikaw na?
Happy birthday, Chelsea. More bar to come.
Hello, Barta, oh.
Ulit-ulit lang.
Ulit-ulit.
Wala lang purple. Wala lang purple. People.
Ay, happy birthday, Chelsea. Mag-birthday ka ulit para may crinkles kami.
Oo nga.
Oy, si Ramos naman yung may birthday. Ah!
Ay, wag mo namin.
23 na.
Free speech yan.
Ay, 22 pa.
Ay, nanananggal din.
Bakit? Mas ikaw maghawak na.
Sige, go.
Okay, pray guys.
Doon ako.
Kasi 18 yan eh. Sino mag... Wait, wrong place. Doon yung tatayo eh.
Saan ba tatayo?
Doon, sa 18.
Ikaw?
Let's go guys.
Oh, umalis ka dyan, dyan siya sa 18. Doon ka sa
Let's go.
Rin.
Ha? Ito yung camera. Ikaw na yung ano, taga-view. Ikaw yung taga-view. Tell me the quality. Uy, 1 minute na.
6 seconds.
Kaya nga, ikaw nga. Uy, kakanta na. Saan yung cake? Picture. Me.
Ito na.
Ay, ikaw lang.
Only me.
Maya. Ate Julie, ikaw na lang po.
Okay na ba? Ilan minutes?
Ano na-change ang ano neto dito sa likod? Sapat na sa video siya.
Hindi siya mag-change Russell kapag nag-edit na.
Okay, pag nag-edit pa dito. Happy birthday!
Kakumanta muna, wala pa. Relax ka lang.
Baby Shark.
Kompleto sila, oh.
Asan ka dyan?
Ano yan yung Baby Shark. Naman. Pero yun na?
Naka-record mo?
Happy birthday. Yung happy birthday na lang, Chelsea.
Naka-record?
18 ka na eh.
Yan, happy 18.
not allowed to sing Baby Shark on my birthday?
Bilisan mo na.
Okay na. Dito ka na, Sharky. Let's go here. Where's my cake?
Lakas naman, Chelsea.
Asan yung cake? Ba't kasi nag-play agad? Mamaya. Dito tayo, guys.
Man, dito si Chelsea, dito ako dyan.
Hindi na naka-go.
Or 2 minutes na.
Stop mo muna, baka mamaya.
Okay na.
Happy birthday to you.
Naka-turn on na, mouse? Baka mahulog natin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
waka-waka.
Yeah.
Pakanta ulit.
3 hours na lang, 18.
Kanta ulit, pakantay mo siya ulit.
Don't drop
Ay,
it.
inaayos. Stop mo na.
High five.
Sarap to.
Ang daming camera. Moso, balik ko na.
Camera mo talaga.
Just throw
Wait,
it out.
give me it. It's 3D.
I'm not suspicious.
Who's your suspicion?
I'm sorry, sir. What's your name?
Yes, sir. Screen.
Yes.
Oh my god, Apple Watch. Okay. 0.5? Oh. Okay.
Ayan ang hindi nagbago ta.
Oo, si Isa.
Si Isa.
Si Isa, paano hindi nagbago?
Isa pa rin.
Ano pa rin siya?
Isa pa rin siya, hindi
Isa pa rin
nagdalawa.
siya sa atin.
Naalala niyo ba?
Nakabuti ka
Naalala,
magtsatsaga niya kahit maingay.
naalala niyo ba yung nag-volleyball tayo sa dun sa apartment nila sa labas? May video pa ako nun.
Ano nangyari?
Wala lang, nag-volleyball lang kami, naging bata lang kami.
Self. Dung.
Uy,
Si
tito,
11 yan, si 11.
naging ganun ka daw, duli mo.
Sabi ko pa naman doon sa hospital, sabi ko, "Obe, bukol siya dito, ang laki." Tapos yung nakita na ng doktor, sabi niya, doon niya palang sinabi sa akin, normal lang daw yun sa kanya. Oo.
Kala ko sabi, hindi niya
Baby
rin
siya.
sa akin. Hindi niya rin
Na ano
sinabi sa
siya,
akin.
ba yung baby siya yung pag baby?
Na, ganun.
Parang meron din ako eh.
Nauntog siya nung baby siya.
Hindi, pagka yung kapapanganak niya na, kailangan, lagi
Hawakan yung
kayong
ulo.
ginaganon, o binibilog. Eh siya laging nakadiretso kayo napipi.
Yung akin din eh.
Oo, ganun pa. Ano ba tawag dyan? Lapimpin? Yun ang tawag.
Kapimpin.
Oh, yun. Yun ang
Yun ako
tawag.
nung
Kapimpin Brothers.
Sa akin lang pala.
Di ba nga dito eh. Buti nga sa
Hindi sa akin
kanya
kasi,
dito sa
babalo yung
gitna.
dapat yung ulo ko eh.
Hindi kasi siya anong
Ito yung
Who do you vote?
Yung kay Russell
Yung
ano eh.
iba mahaba naman.
Yung kay Russell pag ganito eh. Pag ganito yung kay Russell. Pag ganito
Hindi kasi, whiteboard kasi to natin.
Mas malaki yung ganito niya kaysa dito.
Uy, tagra.
Mukha siyang kaya yung baby shot mukha siyang alien. Yung laki ng ganito.
Grabe sa'yo.
Oo, oo.
Yung
ano ka,
Di ba to vlog?
ano yan? Terminal 3, Terminal 4, yung kay Russell ng Terminal 5.
Kasi yung camera na. Nangaipo lang tayo. Masaya Kasi isa.
Andun yung isang camera.
Ayun o. Ayun o. Gumagalaw.
Meron siya din. Alam mo yung 360 na ano?
Ano, ang galing oh. Wala sa bundok niya eh.
Subscribe nyo ako.
Lagi ka ng paper na lang.
Subscribe nyo ako.
Bago kumain.
Oo, bago kumain.
Cheers.
Kaya mo.
Pwesto muna tayo.
Ba't napupunta sa kanan?
Ganito.
Ay,
Wow! Wow!
wala. Nagulo na nga.
Wow! Ang galing mo! Ano, New Year? Ano, New Year?
Guys, shit na kalun na. Baka kalayasin pa lang
Hanggang hindi pa rin narinig. Akala ko pa niya ako mag-inom.
Ay, bigay naman si Tita ng alak.
Nasa si birthday girl? Siyempre.
Kasi siya nagkakulit ng bisita sa
Hindi Tita gagawa talaga ng subscriber. Lagay nyo dyan.
sa bingo yung
I-check mo yan ha. Dapat lahat nakasubscribe.
Tek, ano ba?
Lalaya sa mga subscribe.
Ah, siya, birthday.
Cherry. Nilang pusit eh.
Nacho.
Feeling 18 ka na po.
Ayan, mag-subscribe na
Guys, subscribe kayo sa mga
sa YouTube. Ayan, walang aalis nang hindi nakasubscribe.
Sa YouTube! Ma! Sa YouTube na ako!
Oh, makikita kayo lahat dyan. mag-subscribe kayo.
Tapos na ta, kumakalabas na ako.
Salamat.
Nakasubscribe YouTube. Ay,
Kaya ng pagka...
Wala ka YouTube?
active pa YouTube ko.
Panoorin niyo yung mga mukha niyo sa YouTube nila.
Subscribe. Pinoy.
Bilang ko yan po, ilang kayo dito lahat.
Pinoy.
Oo, yan. Pinoy, mabuhay, simplicity.
Makikita yung mga kalokohan eh.
Makikita yung mga kalokohan nyo dyan.
Natalo, ba't nadota?
Let's go!
Ba't may speech?
Uy, mag-i-switch ka.
I don't know Chelsea about like 5 years now when I came to her life. And I have adopted her like my own daughter.
Oy, daughter!
Listen.
Listen and learn.
Listen and learn, ha?
There has been up and down because she's so stubborn.
He's blocking me.
5 years ago, you were like a 13 years old little
12.
kid.
Damo na, 30.
12 years old little kid. Or using diaper.
Diaper. 12.
But now you turn 18, you are going to be a
with your
woman. And hopefully you move also.
Alis yarn.
I'll make you a wish for Chelsea for her.
I have loved you all this 5 years as my own daughter, but now it's your time to grow up and make your own future.
Happy birthday.
Next, Lorin.
Tropa namin yun.
Now it's time
To shine.
that what you have afraid of all the time that you need to make your speech.
First, Lorin.
Ano ba?
Lorin.
She's to upload to Chelsea, everybody.
I got set up. He set me up.
Ayun, speech ka na doon.
Yan, sige.
What speech though?
Yun ito speech.
Okay.
Birthday.
Mary, it's your turn. Okay, I would like to say thank you to everyone that came here.
Yes.
And then for this side of the room that I have known for like
Mamaya ako, subscribe
5 years, 6 years. Is that right?
Sorry, my 10 years.
Uy, 10 years back there.
5 months?
5 And I would like to say that
Arigato ne.
I'm so happy to have met you all. And for the people that I have met recently, you guys have met me. No, you guys have made me super happy and made me laugh so much and made my 25 years so much fun and better. 25 years.
How about Miko and Tita? Your mom?
Yes.
Nico? Thank you for all of the support that you have Hindi na-update.
It has been hard.
I tried to listen. I ain't listening no more. Thank you for the advices. And sorry that I'm stubborn. And I'm sorry that sometimes I put too much pressure on you. With my mopo. I broke it so many times. Now I have to fix that on my own.
Yes.
Thank you.
How about your mom?
My mother.
Pretty post kasi.
Wala nang baby girl.
Ay, mama ka! Unang bala! Para bigyan ako lang!
Mabigyan mo sa akin.
Magigay para kay Tito! Nakakapit pa?
To my mother.
Mother-in-law.
mother.
I'm so sorry. And I'm sorry that I don't listen to you. Especially last year where I was so mean and stupid. And
Don't cry.
No.
It's okay.
Okay lang yan.
It's okay. It's okay, Chelsea.
It's okay.
Uy, magbabar ka pa.
I just want to know about I love you.
Ate, pura ate.
Hindi ako na-inform yung pala dito.
Huwag mo yung tatay ko. Teka lang.
And to my sister,
Yes.
Makinig ka.
Ayoko dyan, mahal.
you're mean. We made a deal. If we swap room, that I could play Valorant.
Give me a password.
Give me the password. But thank you.
Ni-remove ka sa Google.
Ready chat GPT for speech.
Tissue. Ano?
Bisaya kasi ako eh.
Okay, now it's time to celebrate.
English.
Tagalog.
No,
That's gonna be tough.
okay.
Now I hope that I don't need a ChatGPT answer for this speech, but I do dedicate it all to Chelsea.
Yes.
And now I've known Chelsea for longer than we've been dating, a couple of months. Can't remember the exact number. Right there. Now that we've been dating for now almost 9 months.
It is 9.
No, yeah, right. Next month.
Tagaway na. Wala na. Hindi ako na English mo.
You gotta be the group pressure, right? We gotta put it on that. But for Chelsea, I'm so proud of you making it this far in life. And like Mika said, you are now to build your own future and to leave your nest to say. And I am so happy to be in that journey.
Super proud.
Unang bana mo. Unang bana para Ramos.
Ramos!
Unang bana para Ramos.
Kamitin nyo!
Chelsea, pakinig.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hindi. Happy birthday. Masaya ako dahil in-invite mo kami dito. Mga tropa mo, nandito lang kami. Lagi.
English daw. Finish na lang. Sige, finish.
Finish?
Yes.
Mga those here the best. Kumusta? Mas ka, umes na sa ay ko sempre. Kung sis ko.
It is true. It is true.
Bahayo. Yeah.
Invite kita
I'm
sa
proud
video.
and happy birthday.
Pasa.
Unang bana para Big Man. Magbigay.
ng mark.
Kay ate, sa ate.
Walang iiyak ah.
Wow. Walang mura. Walang mura.
Happy birthday, Chelsea David. Have a great day. Thank you. Wait, ate. May tatawagin ako.
Sino? Si Russell.
Ay,
Yan na, bagos mo.
Sino pinaka-best friend mo dito?
My best friend
Ikaw din yung pula yung sura mo, ha?
is Mary.
Go, Mary.
Pili ka lang ng
Go, Mary!
Oh,
Mary. Yo, bro.
oh, actually, I married these two people. I've known them since, no, for 8 years now.
Wow.
Since 4th
Oh, man,
grade.
that's long.
Both of you speak.
Bukas ba to?
Yeah.
May not be the best thing that's coming out of it right now, but I've known Chelsea since the 4th grade, and
Yes.
I just went up to her one day. I was like, "Oh my God, you wanna be friends?" Yeah, we became friends since that day, and she's been there ups and downs. I've been crying like a baby. She's there. We've been shopping. She's there. I was in a whole other country. She's still talking to me. Everything, and like even the dumbest stuff we've done. You know, not big brain moments, but still, she's always been there for me, and I'm really proud of her. She's always been able to communicate thoroughly, like, she's genuinely a very phenomenal person. I love you, Chelsea.
Go, Mary! Just a little...
Dalawa rin sa lalaki ah.
Come here.
Ito si ano muna si Milo. Si Milo, yung mga friends mo.
Bitbitin kita dito.
Ellie lang.
I met him last year.
Fine. It's okay.
Oh, actually, I was. You're laughing at me. Your turn.
Speech lang.
I'm very happy for you.
Don't diss my Valorant play.
Congratulations. I met you for like 5 years now. I can't believe that.
I have asked you.
Sorry for constantly like a maniac laughing at you. Like, especially
Sabi.
the one time I said,
Mary, you remember that one? Last year's Tanya. I'll tell you later.
yeah. Congratulations on your birthday. You're an adult. Get to the retirement home already. Like, yeah. Congratulations.
Retirement home. I got that now. Retirement home.
Gusto ko yung British accent ah. British accent. Gusto ko yung British accent ah.
Oh my God. Chelsea, happy 18th birthday. I hope you enjoy your day, especially now and maybe later. And always be good to your parents, even though you're 18 now, you're on your own. Please never forget about them. They're always here for you.
Yes.
And always be kind to others whenever you can. So, enjoy your day. It's up to you if you want to get drunk. Happy birthday.
Okay, back to you guys.
Okay, sino sila Jimar?
Okay, mother.
Mother speech.
Yes, I would like to thank you all guys for coming here to
to my
Subscribe to
younger
her.
daughter, Chelsea.
Everyone is going to be on her vlog.
Yes, please subscribe. Watch
Please
this.
subscribe.
Just thinking of
Yeah, thank you so much, and I really appreciate you all guys because you're all you're here for her ano ba yun?
to
To
celebrate.
celebrate her birthday, for her 18th birthday. Thank you for being a good friend to her, and thank you Miko for your support. Always here for our family, and to all there guys, Julimar, thank you for the good cake, especially for John for the food, good food, sarap talaga. Yeah, salamat sa inyo.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much.
Chef.
Happy birthday also kay Big Man. Celebrate and enjoy your birthday, your night. So, thank you for always support Chelsea and Lorraine. Always be there for being kuya. Yeah. Ramos, thank you. Always there. Mga anak ko. Russell, thank you. Julimar. Isa, thank you for coming. And so, sila, Russell, come here. Yung mga great girls there, daan. Nakalimutan ko yung mga pangalan. Happy, ay, salamat sa pagpunta nyo.
Okay, may shot tayo. May shot na kay ano.
Thank you.
Okay, let's shot mo ba? Shot
Di lang,
tayo.
shot na.
Okay, let's party started. Whoever drinks alcohol, so drink but don't drink more.
Okay, let's go. Let's party.
Oy, subscribe ha!
Subscribe.
Thank you.
Bottles popping till we can't stand. We keep it rocking till 6 a.m. New York to London.
Hello guys. Lasing ako. Pero hindi. Masaya ako at naging successful at naging maayos ang birthday celebration ng bunso ko, si Chelsea. At madugong pag-i-edit to. Pero alam nyo, nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong lahat at sa lahat na nag-subscribe ng mga kaibigan niya na nabudol natin. Salamat sa inyo. At ako'y sobrang nagiging masaya kasi nakasama ka at naka-enjoy na nakabanding namin kayo nila Chelsea at ni Lorraine. Ayan. Salamat sa masarap na pagkain kay Kuya Janjan at kay Russell Ramos at kay Julie Mar sa masarap na cake at Isa, salamat sa time mo. And sa mga friend niyang, nakalimutan ko yung mga pangalan, pero papasalamat ako sa inyo guys, yung tatlo na na pumunta rito. Salamat sa inyo. At doon naman kay La Bigman, kay Layen, at kay Russell, salamat sa inyo dahil lalong naging masaya ang birthday niya nung dumating kayo dahil talagang nagbigay kayo ng ligaya sa amin. At very special this 18th birthday. Alam mo yon. Salamat at For Chelsea, sana naging masaya ka sa birthday mo at na-enjoy mo yung pagiging 18 mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. At alam mo naman yun na kahit nakakagalitan ka namin lagi, pero mahal na mahal ka namin. At wish ko na sana matupad lahat ng wish mo. At nandito lang kami ni Miko, ng ate mo at ng mga friend mo na sumusubaybay at sumusuporta sa iyo. Salamat ng marami. And God bless you. I love you. Mwah.